Hey everyone, so today I got here is a Monster Jam monster trucks. As you can see, this is pretty cool. It's called, let's see, it's called Megalodon or something like that, but yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a nice little blue monster trucks today. It looks like a shark looking, but yeah, this is the front, and then here's the back. So you know, these are all the collectibles in the back, just so you know, so that's pretty cool. So I got ways to go to buy a lot more Hot Wheels. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up and then show you guys what this Hot Wheels look like. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and tear this part out. There we go. And take this at the bottom, take it out too. Alright, and take my Hot Wheels. So there we go. That's pretty cool little Hot Wheels right there. And just so you know, I'm going to display them after this video. But yeah, it looks like a nice little shark monster trucks. Yeah, and then there's a logo on the back. That's what it says. Megalodon, or however you pronounce it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Nice little monster truck. And it goes like this. So yeah, that's pretty cool Monster Jam here for you today. So I think that's pretty much it today in this video. If you guys want to see more, just leave a like and subscribe. And I want to say thanks for watching.